students are very nicely felt. Big round of applause. Small kid. Little boy, 2 years down the. My name is Mokshit. I study in UKG in Bodhi Dharma Public School. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. For each and every thank Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for each and everything. Thank you.
మా మోక్షిత్ భయపడిపోయాడండి మీ అందరినీ చూసి. సరిగా క్లాప్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదంట మీరు. చూడండి ఎంత డిసప్పాయింట్ అవుతున్నారో మా చిల్డ్రన్ అసలు.
Green, yellow, red, right? So here students are there to explain about the traffic signals or traffic lights. So please welcome them with your claps.
I am studying UKG in Bodhi Dharma Public School. My name is Rutik. I am studying UKG in Bodhi Dharma Public School. Red light, what do you say? I say wait right away. Red light, what do you say? I say stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? Wait till the light on green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Thank you. And I like and thank you. My name is Frida. I am studying LKG. Potato. I like potato. It is my brown in color. I like brown color. Thank you. My name is Sita. I am studying LKG. Blinjal. I like blinjal. It is white, black, in color. I like white, black, in color. Thank you. My name is Isaina. I am studying LKG. Mango. I like mango. It is yellow in color, so I eat mango. Thank you. My name is Tejasri. I am studying LKG. Lady finger. It is green in color. I like green color. Thank you.
How many cents are got? Are you sure? Yes. So now I would like to invite UKG students to explain about sense organs. Please welcome them with your claps.
You are the sensor slide we see with the help of our eyes. We can see different shapes and colors and can read as well. Nose are the rescue us the sense of hearing. We hear with the help of our ears. Our ears help us to hear different sounds around us. Even the sense of taste helps with taste with the help of our tongue. Skin, we can feel, we can find the skin all over our body. It gives us the sense of touch. We can feel everything just by touching. It be anything, hot or cold, soft or hard, smooth or rough.
Very good, very good. How many sense organs we have, students? How many? What are they? Yes.
So recently we have completed the science day. So on that day in our school some children do their projects. Now one by one they will explain the science project.
So today my science project is bottle, smiley picture, magnet, thread. So when we keep the bottle, the picture of smiley settle at the bottom of bottle. When we keep the water bottle, the picture of smiley stands in air and fall down. This is happened because of magnetic force. Thank you. Today's project work explanation. Needed things: DC motor, HW battery, fan, pin, cardboard, and wires. Process: first we made a circuit using DC motor and HW battery with wires. When we open the door, the door have nail and it touch the circuit. When the nail touch the circuit, the fan will on. The door will, when we door will pull the door, the fan was stopped. Thank you. I study in UKG in Bodhi Dharma Public School. Today my topic is Q. Q is a great place for entertainment. Zoos are built in the large area. A zoo is having different types of animals and birds like tiger, monkey, parrot, peacock, etc. This is a zoo animal. Rhinoceros, lion, bear, tiger, elephant, leopard. Thank you. My name is Rashima. MLKG. Today my topic is zoo. This is true. Lion, tiger, tiger.
What is this?
Snake,
This one,
crocodile,
this one,
zebra,
this one.
buffalo, hen. Thank you. This is the process by which green plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide energy in which form of sugar. Thank you. Good evening to all of you. My name is Jaitrasthi. I am studying third class in Bodhi Dharma Public School. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Chlorophyll present in green parts absorbs light energy. This light energy is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Jagdish. I am studying 5th class. Today I am here to speak about my project. My project name is Electrical Air Bubble. Materials: water, glass, salt, pencil and battery. When we connect a battery to a pair of electrodes and put like pencils and put them in water, an electrical current flow through the water. This process is called electrolysis. During electrolysis, water molecules H2O are split into the individual elements. At the positive electrodes, which called anode, oxygen gas O2 is produced, while at the negative electrodes, which called cathode, hydrogen gas H2O is generated. These gases rise to the water and form bubbles. Oxygen bubbles came from the anode and the hydrogen bubbles came from cathode. Uses the electrical air bubbles experiment helps us to understand how can electricity make bubbles in water. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Yasha. Today our project is air pressure. Good evening to one and all. My name is S.S. Prasad. I am studying class. Today our project is air pressure. Material: glass, balloon, straw, bottle, water. When the inflated balloon air pressure inside the bottle increase the rubber of the balloon, increase the air inside its weight, increase air pressure, pushes down on the water, then water then shoots out of the straw in a fountain. Uses: this experiment is a great way to learn and about air pressure and how it works. Let's see. Thank you.